In the heart of South Los Angeles, where the rhythm of the tide meets the buzz of a pedestrian-only community, ras-a Studio has crafted the Walk Street house. The home serves as a seamless extension of the Southern Californian beach lifestyle, anchored by a raw timber facade that feels more like a natural landmark than a rigid boundary. Because the house sits on a vibrant walk street devoid of cars, the architecture leans into its surroundings rather than retreating from them. There is a profound lack of separation between the private dwelling and the public locale, fostering a distinct nature that invites the energy of the neighborhood right to the front door. Navigating the constraints of a compact urban lot, the design team prioritized an open-floor philosophy that defies the home's small footprint. By eliminating interior partitions within the kitchen, dining, and lounge areas, the spaces are allowed to borrow volume from one another, creating an expansive atmosphere. This ingenuity extends to the home's functional elements. A mechanical lift in the garage maximizes floor space, a hallway transition doubles as a curated library, and the front porch serves as a primary social hub. While the ground floor is dedicated to communal flow, the upper level provides a sanctuary for bedrooms and a study, eventually leading to a rooftop terrace that offers panoramic views of the Pacific horizon. The dialogue between the interior and the environment is most evident in the home's literal transparency. An 8-meter glass panel wall runs the length of the living area, capable of disappearing to merge the lounge with a side patio and a lush bamboo garden. This openness is not merely aesthetic, it is a functional embrace of the climate. Skylights flood the interior with natural energy, while strategically placed operable windows allow the ocean breeze to act as a passive cooling system. These elements ensure that the home breathes with the coast, pulling the scent of salt air and the warmth of the sun into every corner of the daily living experience. Materiality plays the final, crucial role in anchoring the Walk Street house to its coastal identity. The exterior, clad in untreated western red cedar, is designed to weather and silver over time, reflecting the passage of seasons by the sea. Inside, the palette shifts to a refined lightness, featuring polished concrete floors that transition into warm white oak casework and stairs. Through this considered blend of raw materials, light, and layout, ras-a Studio has created more than just a residence. They have built a dynamic vessel for family life that echoes the vibrant, free-flowing spirit of Los Angeles beachside living.